Ever found yourself with a stash of dollars and wondered if you could simply walk into your local Lloyds branch and deposit them? It's a fair question, especially in our increasingly globalized world where currencies often cross borders. Think about it. You might be a frequent traveler returning from the States with leftover cash, or perhaps you've received a dollar payment for some freelance work. Holding onto foreign currency can feel a bit inconvenient. You might be thinking about exchange rates fluctuating, or simply prefer the ease of having all your funds consolidated in your primary bank account. So, the burning question remains, can Lloyds Bank, a familiar name on the UK high street, directly accept your dollar deposits? Well, the short answer isn't a straightforward yes for every situation. While Lloyds Bank does offer services that involve foreign currencies, directly depositing physical US dollars into a standard personal current account isn't typically how it works. Let's delve a little deeper into why this might be the case and explore the options that are usually available if you're looking to manage your dollar holdings through Lloyds. One key factor is the operational complexities involved for a bank in handling large volumes of foreign physical currency. It requires specialized counting, verification, and secure storage facilities for each different currency. Then there's the process of converting these funds into sterling, which involves exchange rate calculations and potential fees. For everyday current accounts, banks often streamline their processes to primarily deal with the local currency, in this case, the British pound. However, this doesn't mean Lloyds offers no solutions for dealing with your dollars. Instead of a direct cash deposit into a standard account, they typically provide alternative routes. One common method is to exchange your dollars for sterling. You can usually do this at a Lloyds branch, although it's often advisable to check their exchange rates beforehand and be aware of any commission fees they might charge. Once exchanged, the resulting sterling can then be deposited into your regular account. Keep in mind that exchange rates can fluctuate, so the value you receive in sterling might be different from the original dollar amount. Another potential avenue, especially if you regularly deal with foreign currencies, is to explore Lloyds Bank's international account options. These specialized accounts are designed to handle transactions in multiple currencies, including US dollars. While the specifics can vary depending on the type of international account, they often allow you to deposit and hold funds in different currencies. This can be particularly useful if you anticipate needing dollars again in the future or if you frequently make international payments. If you're considering opening an international account, it's worth contacting Lloyds directly to discuss your specific needs and the account options available to you. They can provide detailed information on eligibility criteria, fees, and the process for depositing foreign currency. Furthermore, for larger sums of money or more complex financial needs involving foreign currencies, Lloyds Private Banking might offer tailored solutions. They often provide personalized services and advice on managing international funds. While walking into a standard Lloyds branch and directly depositing US dollar bills into your everyday current account is generally not a standard procedure, Lloyds Bank does offer ways to manage your dollar holdings. These typically involve exchanging the dollars for sterling or utilizing specialized international accounts designed for handling multiple currencies. Therefore, if you're looking to deposit dollars with Lloyds, your best course of action is to either exchange them for pounds at a branch or to inquire about their international account options to find the solution that best suits your individual circumstances. Understanding these alternatives will help you navigate your banking needs effectively when dealing with foreign currency. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.